We have two basic forms of client: product manufacturer type clients, and we've got our forensic clients.
Third-party testing is important because we stay neutral and in the middle, providing that additional data that most people won't. Our clients can then make informed decisions on how to address the actual issue that they're seeing.
We can have these hypotheses, we can have these theories, and we think it's going to go one way, even us as the experts, right? The testing, sometimes it proves you wrong.
We do a lot of simulated testing to replicate the worst case. We had an assignment where hailstorm did a lot of damage to a car dealership. This vehicle manufacturer sent us 5 brand new vehicles, and they had us do ice ball impacting on the cars. By spending a few $1,000s on testing, they saved millions of dollars. The bottom line is they want to know the truth.
We never go in with the bias of we know what's going to happen. We never sway the client. We strictly go to the standard. The standard ensures the integrity of the test, and that is crucial.
Here at Salas O'Brien, we are experts in the very specific products that our clients would need versus being a lab that's more of a generalist in all things. We're really focused on how something necessarily would perform in the real world versus maybe an ASTM test.
At Salas O'Brien, we would never just leave a client with a pass or a fail. We would walk them through the whole process, make sure they understand why, whether their product did pass or fail. Even though we may test it in pieces, the pieces are given as a whole. We'll give you recommendations on, well, hey, maybe we can do this to your product to get it across the finish line.
Our clients really appreciate the fact that we truly understand their product, the science behind it, and either how it should perform or how we can make it better perform, where most places wouldn't be able to do that.